How to use inverse operations to isolate variables in algebra. Imagine trying to find out what a mystery number is. You have an equation with a variable, but it's hidden behind some math operations. How do you get that variable all by itself? That's where inverse operations come in. They are like the undo button for math actions. Think of addition and subtraction as perfect opposites. If you add 5 and then subtract 5, you end up where you started. The same goes for multiplication and division. If you multiply by a number and then divide by the same number, you return to the original value. When solving an equation, your goal is to get the variable alone on one side. To do this, you need to reverse the operations that are applied to the variable. For example, if the equation is 2 times a number plus 3 equals 17, you first look at what was done to the variable. The last thing done was adding 3, so you undo that first by subtracting 3 from both sides. This keeps the equation balanced because whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. After subtracting 3, the equation becomes 2 times the variable equals 14. Next, you see that the variable was multiplied by 2. To undo multiplication, you divide both sides by 2. This step cancels out the 2, leaving the variable alone. Now the equation simplifies to the variable equals 7. Always remember to check your answer by plugging it back into the original equation. Substituting 7 for the variable, you get 2 times 7 plus 3, which equals 17. Since it matches, your solution is correct. Let's try another example. Suppose you have y divided by 5 plus 4 equals 9. First, undo the addition of 4 by subtracting 4 from both sides. This gives y divided by 5 equals 5. Then, to eliminate the division, multiply both sides by 5. This cancels the division, leaving y equal to 25. Checking this, y divided by 5 is 5, plus 4 makes 9, which matches the original equation. Using inverse operations is a simple, step-by-step way to solve for any variable in a linear equation. Remember, always undo the last operation first, then the one before that, and so on. Doing this keeps the equation balanced and helps you find the value of the variable accurately. Practice with different equations, and soon it will feel like second nature to isolate variables using inverse operations.